Hey there, design enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel where we turn tiny spaces into trendy homes. Today, we are thrilled to present Cute Small Apartment Creative Design Ideas, Part 33. Get ready to be inspired by ingenious design hacks that make every square inch count. In this part, we dive into the world of cute and compact apartments, showcasing how creativity and smart design can turn any tiny space into a cozy, stylish home. Hi, I'm Lulu and I'm your host for today's video. Welcome back to our channel and the newly uploaded video. If you like the video, please consider giving us a like, comment, and if you are not yet a subscriber, please subscribe to our YouTube channel Grig Stamate Interior Design Solutions. So, grab your notebook and let's get started on this exciting journey to maximize your minimal space. And once again, remember, if you love what you see, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more amazing content. Let's make your small space the talk of the town. Let's start with this charming, efficient, and modern small apartment with a seamless open layout, featuring a sleek one-wall kitchen, cozy dining nook, vibrant living area with a statement red sofa, airy ambience from large windows, warm flooring, and an inviting patio space. Here in this image, you can see a minimalist bedroom oasis with a snug double bed, petite side table, a touch of greenery from a potted plant, and an artful painting adding character above the bed. Small apartment with large floor-to-ceiling windows, large balcony, gorgeous wood floor, and in a neutral gray and beige color palette. Simple decor, but with a very modern look. Let's step now into a contemporary open-plan apartment, blending a cozy living space with a grey tone and metallic black accent, alongside a dining area featuring a rustic wooden table set for six, adorned with monochrome art, lush plants, and elegant ceramics. Here we have a sleek and serene small apartment, boasting a modern open space design in neutral grey and white hues, featuring a chic kitchen with white and grey cabinets, blue backsplash, and a wooden top island, complemented by a stylish living room with a plush white sofa and elegant wall-mounted shelving. Modern L-shaped apartment with a harmonious blend of neutral tones and light wooden floors, featuring a compact kitchen with sleek grey cabinets and white countertops, an inviting dining space with a charming wooden table set, and a cozy living area with a comfy two-seater grey sofa, chic oval coffee table, and artistic decor including a striking modern painting and monochrome photographs, all complemented by a touch of greenery. Airy and luminous small apartment adorned with bright white walls and expansive windows, accented by elegant white and light gray curtains, furnished with a sleek low-profile sofa and round coffee table, complemented by a sturdy rectangular wooden dining table with six chairs, all illuminated by a stunning globular pendant light over the coffee table and an industrial-style pendant lamp over the dining table. Here you can see a small apartment with a quite unusual living room decor. Gray walls, white sofa, glass coffee table, and white and thick area rug. The focal point and the piece of resistance is the large painting on the wall above the sofa. And that's a wrap on Cute Small Apartment Creative Design Ideas Part 33. We hope you found inspiration in the tips and tricks we shared for making the most of your small space. Remember, a little creativity goes a long way in transforming your apartment into a stylish and functional home. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who might be looking for some small space design inspiration. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more creative ideas and hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. We love seeing how you bring these ideas to life, so tag us in your photos on social media or leave a comment below with your own small apartment hacks. Stay tuned for the next part of this series where we continue to explore the endless possibilities of small space living. Until then, keep making your home a beautiful place to live, no matter its size. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.